Welcome to janeatthelake.com. Thanks for the opportunity to assist with your search. I am here to help. Beautiful views, natural sandy beach, huge dock, level lot in the water's edge. Open floor plan with walls of windows, stone fireplace, cathedral ceiling, hardwood floors, updated kitchen and baths, large bedrooms, wonderful screen porch. Trex decking. Privacy. Active club membership. Ideal for primary or second home. Easy access to the lake. Furnishings available with separate bill of sale. 7 exposure. Immaculately maintained. Plenty of parking space for guests. Large yard provides tons of outdoor entertaining options.